And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. Yes, it's another sunny day here in lovely Lethbridge. 9 degrees was our low at 5 this morning, 28, and that is our current high, and we hit that at 2 this afternoon. Winds are out of the south at 30 kilometers per hour. Our humidity level is very, very low. That's why we're not seeing any cloud cover development. That's why we're seeing, very, very dry conditions. So, it's not that a little rain wouldn't help. We've got trees and shrubs and things that need that moisture, but it's just not in the forecast right now. What is in the forecast is temperatures like this to continue as we get into the weekend. We're expecting temperatures in the high 20s, low 30s possible, and many areas are going to be seeing weekend numbers right in the 30-degree values, of course. Here's some record temperatures that we got today, and more is on the way as we head into the weekend. We'll be seeing more areas, as I said. For Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, they'll all be seeing temperatures in the 30s, so I'm expecting more records will be broken when we talk to you on Monday and we kind of review what happened on the weekend. As you can see on the satellite map, we don't have any active weather here in Western Canada, and this area of high pressure now starts from the coastal area and extends all the way into Ontario. In fact, central Ontario is kind of the demarcation line between low pressure that's affecting eastern Canada and the area of high pressure that's dominating Western Canada. So pretty much clear skies and clear sailing. We've got the forecaster really doesn't have anything to do at this point because there's really no cloud cover or active weather to forecast in the next 24, 48, 72 hours. Certainly we're looking at pretty quiet conditions, maybe just some high thin cloud over the mountain areas along the Rocky Mountains, and then south of the border through the Cascade Mountains could be seeing some high cloud cover development. But other than that, we're looking at pretty quiet conditions. Different story down east. We've got 18 degrees in St. John's, all through the Maritimes, even into southern Quebec. We're looking at heavy rainfall, especially through the New Brunswick area and then into Nova Scotia. There's heavy rainfall warnings out in place, and then thunderstorm watches and warnings as well. And then it's a real switcheroo, just the northern edge of Lake Superior. All of those areas, Geraldton, areas like that, even Thunder Bay, are looking at frost overnight tonight. They're going to get some showers, then it's going to clear after midnight, and they're going to have frost. 21 degrees in Winnipeg, 25 in Regina, and Saskatoon's at 26 right now. They popped a degree in the last hour. 30 in Edmonton. We've got 29 in Kelowna, 22 with a sun and cloud mix in Vancouver, and both Whitehorse and Yellowknife saw a lot of sunshine today, and you see those numbers 15 and 21 degrees. East Kootenay looking at clear skies tonight, 12 degrees for a low, 31 degrees for a high tomorrow. West winds at about 20 kilometers per hour. Crow's Nest Pass, clear skies tonight, 8 degrees for a low, 27 for a high tomorrow, loads of sunshine. And the same scenario for Medicine Hat, clear tonight, down to 10 degrees for an overnight low, 31 for a high tomorrow with lots of sunshine. So that theme of sunshine and clear skies is really sticking with us for the next several days. Lethbridge looking at a low of 9 tonight with clear skies, 30 degrees for a high tomorrow, even with a surface wind out of the north at 20 kilometers per hour. Up top, it's right out of the west-southwest, so we've got that warm airflow moving in. There's your 5-day forecast for the next few days. What is that? It's a cloud. Yes, that's what Jackie and I were talking about. That's the only anomaly over the next 5 days in the forecast, just a little bit of cloud cover as we head into Monday. But even then, temperatures looking really mild and well above average. Average is 20 degrees now in the city of Lethbridge for an average temperature for this time of the year. So we're remaining well above that. Now, our Dory story. This is what you'd call a quick look at the construction at the Lethbridge Tennis Club. Last month, we brought you the story of all the renovations at the Lethbridge Tennis Club, but the story started long before the ribbon cutting.
The club at this location has been here since 1972. Prior to that, it was actually just behind the City Hall, behind the RCMP barracks. And in 1972, they built this facility with the 6 new asphalt courts. The courts have to be resurfaced periodically, like roughly every 7 years. There has to be a new surface applied. However, the asphalt here has been in place probably since the early 80s, I'm thinking, and it's just tired and it's worn out, and there's all sorts of cracks developing, and it hinders the play, and so it's come time that we have to address that.
It took about 3 years to get a plan together so that all the renovations could be paid for. A three-way partnership between the city, the province, and the tennis club helped things come together. It took a lot of work to get it to where it is today. A tennis club with fabulous lighting, great surfaces, and, even more important, happy players. As you can see in this sped-up video, activities span much of the spring and summer, depending on the weather conditions, which, especially in July, were not great.
There's a lot of enthusiasm. We need to upgrade the facilities and get them to a level that where they're, very playable, and we think there'll be quite an upsurge in the membership.
Dory's Story, brought to you by Langenberg Optical, once again voted best of the best.